How to redeem codes in Age of Empires using your mobile or tablets. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer, and we are back with another Age of Empires tutorial, and we are going to learn how to redeem your code in Age of Empires. So the process is quite easy. First of all, open your Age of Empires game on your mobile device or tablets and make sure that you're inside this main home section. Once you're in, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon and then click on Settings at the bottom left. After you're inside the Settings menu, look for the Gift Redemption option on the right and click on it and enter your gift code in the text box. Make sure to type in your gift code correctly and finally click Redeem. If the code is valid, your reward like coin, gems or other items will be instantly added to your account. So that is how you can redeem codes in Age of Empires using your mobile device or tablet. It is quick and a great way to get extra goodies to boost your gameplay. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.